Jyoti from Rainy Blooms Lekol International Senior Secondary CBSE School. Now I am going to give some interesting facts about what? Let's we see. What is this? Yes, this is post box and this is a post office. Today we are going to see some interesting facts about the post office.
Postal Department.
Post office. History of post office and the postal stamp in India. The first post office service started in 1744 April by Warren Hastings. First postal ticket started from Sindh Post Office in 1852, which is Asia's first postal stamp. Since 1st October 1854, entire India has postal stamp. These are some information about the history of post office and postal stamps in India. Next, when the postal service was started, what are the postal services where now also we are using? Let's we come and see that. Money order service. The most useful
Initial stage attention.
in initial stage, the money order service is started in 1880. Still we are using this. Speed money order service started in 1988 and the railway postal service started in 1907. Air postal service started in 1911. To do faster postal service in 1972 with the pin code method introduced in postal service also. Speed post service started in 1986. Children, now we are not using this postal service for giving letters, greeting cards during our festival times. Like that we are not using. Before 20 years, this is the big service which were connected the people. And the next one, some interesting fact about this postal services. Do you know in India there is a floating postal service, post office is there. Do you know where it is? Let's come, we see that. India's floating postal office located in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. In Srinagar only it is located. This is a floating postal office which is in Srinagar. Let's we see some important things on floating post office. Information about floating postal offices. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir and Dal Lake, Srinagar. Many of the tourists were eagerly to went and see this postal office. It is on a huge houseboat. In this postal office there is a shop that sells postage stamps and other stationeries also. Other service also includes their calling and emailing to your near and dear ones. If you have the chance to go to Jammu and Kashmir or Srinagar, surely you will check this place and enjoy it.
It is also
Thank
one
you.
of the tourist place.
It is also
One of the tourist place. One of the second is the அத்தாவில் வச்சு இனிஷியல் ஸ்டேஜ் நட்டஞ்சப்பால் உனக்கு வந்து ஃப்ளோட்டிங் போர்ட் போஸ்ட் ஆஃபீஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்டடு அதுக்கு அடுத்தது money order.
Money order services started in initially the
speed money order means money order means it will take for 2 to 3 days. Speed money order means within a day you will be recovering the money from other state to other state in between India. Railway postal service center railway postal service center through the rail. If we post here in our state, it will go through train. As we are passing train from one place to another, they will also travel the post and all through goods train லெட்டில் போனோம். ஏர் போஸ்டல் DHL it will go by flight. Air postal it will go by flight.
Next
The postal
also to other countries also it will go.
Other countries also it will go by it goes to other countries by flight. Attention to the faster post 4 நிமிஷம்.
One more.
To do faster post service, the pin code is used. Pin code means based on the pin code we can easily identify the places, so it will be delivered soon.
Hey, and సాయి కొన్ని కూటు పయ్యన్ ఇతో అంద రూమ్లో ఉட்కార వచ్చి సత్తం ఇలా నా వీడియో
ఉంటే దీన్ని నేను నీకు పంపించి చూసాను పోతాను దాన్ని అటనే మా ఇది ఇంత చేయగా కార్ట్
வேணாம் இதை எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அனுப்பு எதுக்கு தேவையில்லாம 2 5 இது பண்ணுறேன்
இது அனுப்புகிற டெலீட் பண்ணிடுறேன் நான்
எடுக்கலாம்
சரி